Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change your profile picture in Hamster Kombat. First of all, tap open your Telegram application to get started and make sure you open up your Hamster Kombat bot. Once you launch Open Hamster Kombat bot, you will then end up in the main home screen. As of now, there isn't a direct way to change profile picture within the Hamster Kombat game itself. Hamster Kombat is primarily focused on gameplay and strategy rather than customization, so while you can't change your profile picture directly in the game, you might consider keeping an eye out for future game updates. The developers might add this feature in the future, so since Hamster Kombat operates within Telegram platform, changing your Telegram profile picture might reflect in your in-game profile. But if you want to change your skin on your Hamster Kombat game, then simply open up the game and from the exchange page, click on your name at the top left corner. This will take you to your profile where you can go ahead and select skins. And make sure you purchase one of your skin preferences and it will be applied as your profile picture inside Hamster Kombat. And you will be able to change your skin on Hamster Kombat. So as of now, that is the only thing you can do regarding profile pictures or skins on Hamster Kombat. If you found the video to be informational, you can go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.